You can make over $500,000 a month with affiliate marketing, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. Affiliate marketing might sound like a complex field, but trust me, with the right guidance and a bit of persistence, you can absolutely start making money online. So let's dive into the basics and get you on the path to financial success. I'll take you step by step on my computer, from zero to hero, so you can start making money online with affiliate marketing today. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up your affiliate marketing journey and start earning commissions. First, let's talk about affiliate networks. Think of these networks as platforms where you can find products to sell or promote. These networks connect you with companies who are looking for affiliates to help them market their products. There are tons of networks to choose from, such as ClickBank, JVZoo, ShareASale, and of course, Amazon. Each of these networks has its own unique offerings and benefits. For today, we're going to start with two of the easiest and most trusted networks, Amazon and ClickBank. Amazon is a giant in the online retail space, and its affiliate program is well-established and beginner-friendly. ClickBank, on the other hand, specializes in digital products and has been a reliable platform for many successful affiliates. Let's begin with Amazon. Joining their affiliate program is straightforward and user-friendly. To start, go to the bottom of the Amazon homepage, where you'll find a section that says, "Make Money with Us." Click on Become an Affiliate, and you'll be guided through the sign-up process. It's simple and quick. You'll be asked for a website during the registration process, but don't worry if you don't have one. You can use your Facebook profile, YouTube channel, or even create a new account if necessary. The key here is to get started and get your affiliate links. One thing to note is that Amazon pays smaller commissions compared to other networks, usually around 10%. While this might seem modest, it's a great way to begin and build your affiliate marketing skills. However, for higher earnings, you'll want to explore networks like ClickBank. Now, let's dive into ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate networks out there, and it's where many affiliates, including myself, have started their journey. ClickBank offers a vast range of products, especially in the digital space, from ebooks to online courses. To get started with ClickBank, go to their homepage and click on Affiliate Marketplace. Here, you'll find over 4,500 products available for promotion. You can filter products by category, popularity, or commission rate. Look at these examples: $37, $56, $41 per sale. That's how much you can potentially earn each time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. Choose products that resonate with you, whether it's business opportunities, fitness programs, or personal development courses. When you genuinely believe in a product, your enthusiasm will translate into more effective promotions and higher conversion rates. Let's return to Amazon for a quick example. Suppose you want to promote the book Anathem. Once you're part of the Amazon affiliate program, you'll see the Amazon Associates SiteStripe tool at the top of your screen. This tool allows you to easily generate affiliate links. To get your affiliate link, simply click Get Link, choose Text Link, and voila! You now have your unique affiliate link. This link tracks everything: clicks, purchases, and commissions. Whenever someone clicks on it and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. So now that you've joined an affiliate network, found a product, and obtained your affiliate link, it's time to start promoting it. There are numerous ways to share your affiliate link: social media platforms, blog posts, YouTube videos, or even email newsletters. The more you share, the more opportunities you have to earn commissions. Be consistent and focus on providing value to your audience. Whether you're creating engaging content or sharing useful information, your goal is to build trust and credibility. Over time, with persistence and dedication, you could see significant results. So there you have it. That's how you get started with affiliate marketing as a beginner. Remember, the key to success is taking that first step and continuously learning and adapting.
Join now. Watch and earn up to 5 million tokens every day on Telegram at +go_in.